video, we're going to go over the materials needed to wrap a present. So, what you'll first need is a box. So, if your present has not come in a box already and you need a box, you need to find a box that will fit the size of your gift well so it doesn't jiggle around in the box. Any box will do. I like to just grab any boxes I have around the house. It could be food boxes, prank boxes. You can get those around Christmas times at big box stores. And a lot of times, if you do order, sometimes your boxes will come with packing material that you might need if you're going to put your gift in a box that is maybe a little bigger than what you're trying to wrap, so that it doesn't shake around in there. You can use paper or tissue papers. If you have tissue paper, you can stuff your box with that. That goes good with shirts and clothing. And then you would want to get your gift in your box so that when you go to wrap it, it doesn't jiggle around. And as for wrapping paper, you can use wrapping paper from anywhere. The more expensive the wrapping paper, the more durable it will be. But you can get wrapping paper at dollar stores, department stores, hobby stores, the grocery store, just about any store sells wrapping paper. And if it comes in a cellophane, I do like to save those so then once I'm done with my wrapping, I can slide it back into the cello to help keep it protected until I need to use it again. And then if you don't have a lot of space for wrapping paper, what you can do is you can always elect to have a wrapping paper that is versatile for everything. Now I like to sometimes get like a thicker roll for bigger packages, and I like to get a pattern that can be used for anything. This paper, depending on how you dress it, can be used for Christmas, a male, female, non-binary, anybody's kind of birthday present, anniversary present. A versatile paper is always good, and then it limits the amount that you need in your home. As for scissors, you'll need scissors, and they have a variety of scissors. You can just use regular little scissors from the dollar store. Now, you can get nice crafting scissors. What I like to do is after the holidays, you can go to the craft stores and their Christmas stuff will go on sale. And since these have a Christmas pattern, these perfectly fine scissors I got 75% off. Or you could even use, if you have any decorative scissors, like these ones have a scalloped edge, you can use that for cutting your wrapping paper. And I also like to use a wrapping paper cutter. It is just a nice little plastic tool, and you can just run it right through your paper, and it cuts it amazingly. The trick is to go fast so that you don't tear your paper. As for tape, you can use translucent tape. This is just from the dollar store. And what I like to do is pre-pull some tape before I start tape wrapping, and then just stick it on the side of my tape so that when I start wrapping my gift, I can have it here and just pull a piece of tape as I need it instead of having to fiddle tearing tape each time. As for ribbon goes, you can get all fancy as you want with ribbon. If you want to use ribbon, they have wired ribbon that you can use. They have big rolls, small rolls. You can get these at like big box stores like Costco, Walmart. You can get them at Hallmark, specialty stores, craft stores. You can also get curling ribbon on spools at just about any store that you can get all these other supplies at, or just actual ribbon to wrap around the packaging. Or if you don't have ribbon and don't want to take the space for ribbon, you can always use wrapping paper. You can cut your extra little pieces of wrapping paper. These ones I kind of did with the scalloped edge scissors. And you can use that, let me get my little box back, as ribbon around your package. It works best. You can mix and match if you're doing a couple presents at a time, especially if it's like at Christmas time. Save your scraps of wrapping paper, and then you can mix them out on your packages so they don't blend in. Or you can use ribbons or bows, especially if you have cats in your home. They might be a little attracted to them. As for bows, you can make your own paper bows. We've had a video on that. You could use regular bows. You could use, sometimes I like to use gifts on the box. So like this is a nice cute little hair bow. I would probably put some ribbon on the box and attach it if it was the appropriate size. Um, some lollipops, you can do lollipops, candy on top. Everybody likes that. Make a cute little design instead of a bow. Just have a little candy present on top for someone. Or you can use clips. Now these ones are kind of fun and gross. They're the only ones they have right now. They're little bug clips. But at Christmas time, at the department stuff box stores, in their ornament area, they have little clips, like little alligator clips with little ornaments or decorations on there. I like to use those, get those on sale, and use those on packages as well, or curly bows. So you can really make this as simple or as advanced as you would like with wrapping your presents. The point is to have fun, and if you found this video helpful, please like so other people can find it as well, and subscribe if you would like more tips on gift wrapping.